Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization in here. We do factorization in here too. We simplify by h and h. We know that because we still have about h in here, you got about 0 in here. So we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. Now I will go to the right. When we put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, this one you got about 0. But this is about positive number 1. So this is about positive area in here. If I put number 0 in here, number 0 in here, but this 0 is about on positive. But negative number 1 is about 0 minus number 1. You got about negative number 1 in here. But on the right of the 0, this is about positive, but this one is about negative. This one is about positive. Positive divided by negative, you got about negative. So this one you got about negative infinity. Now, let's go h approach to number 0 on the left. For the left, you will got about positive infinity. And here is about the answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.